Alright, hey, good morning shadows. Today we are going to explore the Citadel, which is basically like a 12th century fortification built by the Saxons, so the Germans who, oh, black kitty. Sorry, I get distracted by cats. I love kitties. So yeah, the Germans who really had a big influence in Transylvania in particular, Romania kind of all together because of the they imported their royal family from Germany. So hold on a second, let's let this car go by. Alright guys, so today we're just gonna explore. I'm gonna take you around. We're gonna do a few things. We are not gonna do the one thing that I came here to do. We're gonna do that tomorrow. Well, not that I came here just to do this, but definitely on the top of my list, and that is see the house where Vlad Tepesh was born. Today we are just gonna do like the historical, like the big historical sites, and just kind of cruise around, see what we can see. I literally have just walked down the street and turned the corner, and this is what I get to see. So it's gonna be a good day. Alright guys, let's get to seeing some stuff. Guys, I'm gonna step over into the shade real quick. So the first thing you gotta know is that they're really proud of Vlad Tepesh, and they obviously use it as a tourist trap. So the very first thing I came into was a statue of Vlad Tepesh. So let me show you here. We're gonna go over here. There are some killer overlooks over the city, so make sure you walk along the perimeter for sure. So there is something else I want to warn you guys about. The cobblestone streets here are they're old and they're worn and they're very uneven, so be very careful as you're walking. So as you can see they're super proud of the Vlad Tepesh thing, as well they should be. I know we all think he's crazy, but he did a really good job for what he was supposed to do for the short amount of time, as I said in one of the earlier videos. So, you know, be proud of the hometown boy kind of thing, you know. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you a couple of the views here, and then we'll get going to the next location. In front of the Biserica Monastery. It was built in 1298. I do know that the city, sorry if there's some noise, there looks to be like a little kids tour. I do know that the city itself was made a heritage site in 1999, so there is a date on here that says 1998. I was wondering if maybe that was when it was refurbished, or maybe that was the last time it was actually being used. So take a look, it's pretty cool. Guys, so that was really pretty inside. You're actually allowed to take pictures for the 8 lei fee, so that's pretty cool. Like I said, I really didn't feel like talking in there was appropriate because I don't know if it's a working church, but it definitely feels like a working church. So definitely pay the 8 leis. It doesn't really take more than 5-10 minutes in there. Really take some pictures, you know, read the history. They give it to you in there's different languages, so that's cool. It gives you a little backstory, which is important if you're not going to have a tour guide. So I'm gonna flip around and show you so you can see the masses are already starting. And that's just the the beginning. So like I said, make sure you get out early so that you don't have to contend with them, because truthfully a lot of the staircases are really, really tiny and you don't want to have to deal with it. That's what I went through in Braun, because there are so many people in so little space. So yeah, we're gonna continue on. I think we're gonna go down and do this one down here, and then we'll go back up and around, because I want to end up towards the top, because there's a restaurant up there that has like a killer like kind of view that I want to eat at. And yeah, let's get going.